In this video, let me show you how we can search privately on your iPhone. So what you have to do is to locate your web browser. So we're going to use Safari for it. But when I get inside, you can see that I can click on the three dots in the bottom right corner and just go to a new tab. And this is like the regular browsing experience, which saves the history and it's not very private. But what you can do instead is just click on the three dots in the bottom right as well and go to all tabs mode. So again, I have two regular tabs open. You can close them away or whatever, but at the bottom, you can switch from regular mode to private mode. And then now we are inside of the private browsing. So as you can see, the history, the cookies and stuff doesn't get saved. So you can access it like this. Click the plus button to open up a new tab. You have again some information about it, but you can just type in Google or whichever website you want, and it's gonna be looked up on the internet without like leaving a trace on the phone. So that's how you can privately search for stuff, right? So as you can see, this is how you can get to any website. If I come back to the regular mode again, like this, and just close the window, switch to the normal mode, and if I try to access the history of Safari like this, you can see that this morning and today, only the Apple website and the Google search simply didn't get saved, right? Because it was in the private mode. But that's going to be about it from me. That's what I wanted to explain and show you. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.